Ah yes, what a great day to be me, Cable the Kid, singer-songwriter, and member of Cheesy Monkey. It is such a nice day out, I think I'm going to go play outside. Hello, Carty. It is me, Cable the Kid, singer-songwriter and member of the Cheesy Monkey gang. Hello, Caleb, singer-songwriter and member of Cheesy Monkey. How is your day going? Carty, my day is going rather divine. Thank you. I think I'm going to go play on the video slide. I am so glad that I'm outside. Surely nothing bad will happen while I'm playing. What was that? No, it appears my past has come back to haunt me. It appears I must come to terms with what really happened on that fateful day. For on that day, that is when